Hey everyone, welcome back my channel with a new hand drive video. Friends, today I have many new model toy vehicles here. Oh, all are nice and beautiful model. See friend, this is very nice toy vehicle here. All are nice and beautiful model. So friends, now I will hand drive all of this toy vehicle with my hand. At first is a fire service rescue team truck. Let's go. Wow, I reached my parking place, so I parked here this fire service rescue team truck. This is very nice realistic model 6-wheeler truck. This is blue, yellow, black and pink color combination. This 6-wheeler fire service truck. And now I will drive this emergency police jeep. Wow, I parked here this police jeep beside this fire service truck. See friend, this is very nice orange, black, yellow and blue color combination emergency police jeep. And now I will drive this racing car. Wow, I parked here this racing car beside this police jeep. This is very nice realistic model racing car. See? Wow, this is pink, black and silver color combination this racing car. So friends, already 3 vehicle hand drive and introduced with you. All are nice and beautiful model. And next one is a cartoony car. Wow, I parked here this cartoony car beside this racing car. Oh, this is very nice new model cartoony car. This is black, silver and green color combination cartoony car. See friend, here is many cartoony sticker. And now I will drive this hand car. Wow, I parked here this hand car. This is very nice cartoony model. See friend, this is pink, paste and white color combination this hand car. This is very nice and cartoony model. This is the last one is a cartoony model car. Let's go. I also parked here this cartoony model car beside this hand car. This is very nice model and color combination. Here is a black, white, green and yellow color this car. Wow friends, see here is a twice. Oh friends, one by one all of these toy vehicles hand drive and introduced with you. So friends, I hope you like this video. If you see more video, you will subscribe our channel.